Are we rolling?
Are we rolling?
Are we rolling?
Are we rolling?
I think we're rolling.
I mean, Sonic's rolling. Are we rolling?
Whoa, rolling.
Rolling. Oh,
Holy
God,
shit.
that's dead.
He's actually...
Mania mode, encore mode,
The
time
fucking
attack.
scan lines, bro.
Oh yeah, that turns me on. Oh God, that's weird. Da, 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 da. Oh. I thought I knew where it was gonna go. Ba da 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 da.
Oh no, it's the robots. Oh gee. Oh,
So thick.
what the fuck?
I'm sorry. Whoa, it's an emerald.
So,
How the fuck?
like,
Yeah.
we've got a little bit into this, and we haven't, like,
What? You're into this.
sup, man.
What's up?
Yeah.
What's wrong?
We just go like a whole ass fucking episode without without introducing ourselves or anything. Fuck. Oh my god, dude.
Well, look at me go, mama.
We're the two fucktards, man. This is it.
Oh yeah,
This
that's
is
the
what
thing
we're
that we
doing.
are. Yeah,
We're-
that's here we go.
We're
Whoa.
doing things.
Let it jump up in the
And
air.
more,
Holy
more
shit, wrong
likely you're
game.
doing things.
Fish. Oh, I'm so good.
Stop.
Tails, you're a
Suck
fucking
my
wiener.
We're
Stop.
gonna have fun with this shit. Two fucktards.
Oh,
Shit.
Tails, stop
With your
jumping into the
fucking-
spikes like a weird. Oh, the baby boy. Baby prince. Oh god, that's weird.
Oh my god, dude.
Whee! Oh.
Ooh. The ring time.
Catch the UFO. I need to go faster, mama.
Larry sucks.
You suck. Look at my dash pass, man. Whoa. Respawning orbs. Give me the damn orbs. Whoa!
Got the fucking speedy going Mach 3.
Look at me go! Look at me go!
Get better at life. Come on. You got
You
this.
get better at life, you little shit.
Fuck yeah. Sonic got a Chaos Emerald.
You're just semen. Oh.
Good spin, good spin. Oh, dumb bitch.
Wrong way. That is fucking okay. These look like my testiculars.
You're invincible. Just hit him. Just hit
I
him.
am.
Oh my god.
I'm literally hitting him.
Hit him
Well,
better.
You hit him better.
Tails is dying.
Fuck Tails, he's an idiot.
I mean, sure. Yeah.
IQ of 2, I don't know, wieners.
Tails. That's why Tails got that kill.
Where
Where did that come from?
Thanks.
Where the hell did that come from?
Thanks, game. You're so good to me, man. It's like, this is why we're friends, and I'm turned on. Oh, God. Alright, bet. I'll stop, and I will just go.
Oh my god. Oh boy.
Sonic,
You
use
fucking
your
suck at
feet.
Sonic, bro.
Sonic, use your fucking feet. You suck, you fucking cock. There's a thing. I want the thing. Wait.
This is super fucking dumb.
You're super fucking dumb.
This is gonna be the dumbest fucking thing.
You're the dumbest fucking. Ah!
And that's why you fucking got hit, you stupid bitch.
I am kind of sad.
You're also queer.
You're queer.
Okay.
Oh, I wanted to. My eyebrow is itching. Here we go. Let me go down. I want the bubble. I want the bubble. Wait. Oh no.
So, stop getting hit, you stupid bitch. God, just learn to play a Sonic game, would you? Come on.
Here we go. Murdering. I am a genocidal maniac.
You are a genocidal maniac, and it frankly scares me to be in the same room as you, bro. Like, not gonna lie.
Get over it.
No. God.
You're good.
Whoa. Tails.
Huh?
I just love that Tails is getting hit every, like, 2 seconds here. I think that is hilarious.
Oh. My spinkle butt.
Oh. Gonna just cruise through this whole game.
Oh. What?
Oh. Animals. My furry senses are tingling. I'm kidding.
What?
No, I'm kidding, bro. I don't have nothing for that.
I'm scared that you aren't. Nice hat.
Yo.
Oh yeah, there are other guys in there too. Holy shit. Ow, my eyeballs.
Calm down. Fucking idiot. What you gonna do now? Grow an extra arm?
Ooh.
Did you ever actually play Sonic Mania?
Nope.
This is your first exposure to this game, bro?
Ow. Pretty much.
This is some genius commentary you got going on right now, bro. Just the...
Like the song! Struck!
Got himself pinched. Don't jizz so close to next to me.
I was in pain.
Tails actually just swims like a normal ass box.
I know, he knows how to swim.
You're about to die again. This is gonna be funny, watch.
Swing.
Aww.
Eat my nuts. Ah.
Christian Whitehead and his team did such a good job with this shit.
Is that who made it?
Yeah.
I can breathe.
He was known for doing a lot of like Sonic ROM hacks and shit in the past too. Like he just knows how Sonic works.
Oh damn, one chat. What? Wee!
Oh, nobody can see the faces I make of just pure disappointment.
Shut up. I can feel them on my butt.
Why? You're about to feel something else on your butt in a minute.
Shit. Death of a hedgehog. At least play the good music. Oh my death.
Mens is gonna lose all of his lives.
Shut up. I'll be fine. I'll be fine.
It's the second level, dude.
Get over it.
Alright. I'm over it. Except I'm not. It's the second level, dude. Come on.
Here we go! Progression. Look at me. I'm dashing. On the dash dash.
Yeah. Okay. We're going to we're going to pretend like you're doing some good progression here.
I am.
Yeah.
I'm moving forward. I'm smoothing, and that's all that matters.
You're schmoovin', alright? You're schmoovin' your way.
Well, you're
right
just kind of
into
sitting
being
there,
slow.
sucking, trying to be all judgmental on me when you know I'm just doing good.
But
I'm
of
doing
course,
fine.
I'm being judgmental of you because you suck.
You suck. I'm doing great.
I love that water effect. That fucking effect is so good. Tried to say cool and good at the same time.
That's not water, that's jelly.
Okay, it's chemicals.
It's jelly.
It's jelly.
It's a jelly bean. Come here. I gotta play with you. PPMP.
Bro, come on. It's not jelly. It's literally just chaos.
You're chaos.
Okay.
Chaos is a bitch.
Chaos would kick your ass.
Chaos isn't even real. I'm real. He is a figment of some weirdo's imagination, while I am real as it gets.
Some stupid Japanese person. I don't even know his name.
Literally,
God.
I don't pay attention.
Oh.
He's probably black for all I know, and I don't care.
He's probably black.
That's how unracist I am.
God, it just keeps popping, bro. Oof, gonna inject some bouncy potion.
Oh wow. What is... Oh, it's bouncier. Okay.
It's bouncy potion. You get a good old bounce.
What the fuck?
Whee!
Where am I going? Oh, what the fuck? Confused, huh? What to do?
No, stop getting smacker.
Let me spin!
What are you doing?
Whee! Ooh!
Brain rape?
You're brain raping.
Okay.
Fluid? You little bastard. Oh, hi. Whee! Decisions. I only go up. Towards my destiny! Jammin'. Peach jammin'.
I want some Buffalo Wild Wings now.
Ah, damn, shut the fuck, I'm hungry.
You said jammin'. The only thing I thought of was jammin' jalapeno, which is just like,
Yeah.
oh.
Yeah, that's where I got... I was wondering, why did I say jammin'?
Is that really why you said jammin'?
Yeah, that must have been.
Oh my god, I
have
fucking
no idea.
love jammin' jalapeno,
Why else would I
bro.
say that?
I don't know, bro. Like, there's some pretty jammin' music going on right now.
Fair.
I don't know, man.
I feel like I'd say I'm gym jamming then.
Why would you say you're Jim jamming?
Because I'm very precise with my wording. And that sounds like a very wordy thing I'd say.
Is it really?
Yeah.
Ba-ba-ra-ba-ba.
Whee! Where the fuck am I going?
You're going forward. You're progressing. That's what you do. It's a Sonic game.
I don't believe you.
What an idiot.
Chemicals.
I
More
actually
chemicals.
really like that solution to losing a ton of rings.
Oh yeah, just make them bigger.
Yeah. Instead of just lagging the game down by just putting 3 million rings on screen.
Oh yeah. Okay.
Gotta jump off to the side.
You jump off the side.
Okay.
But wait, I'm the one in control.
You are the one in control, and it's kinda agonizing to watch.
Get over it.
Gotta say something else besides get over it all the time, man. You get stale after a while.
You get stale. I don't care. I'm just vibing. Woo!
Oh no. Oh no!
I'm fine, I'm fine, I'm fine. This is fine. This is also fine. Hold on, hold
Is
on,
it
hold on.
fine?
Yep. Look at me go,
Man.
mama.
Somehow I don't think it's fine.
Yeah, it's fine. Let me go. I'm not dead. I'm super not dead. I'm super not dead.
Just keeps getting hit over and over. I'm fine.
Yeah, I'm
This is
fine.
fine.
I
I'm
have
good.
15 regalis. What the fuck?
Time to play Mean Bean. Larry's favorite boss. Dude, Robotnik kinda sucks at Mean Bean, bro.
A little bit.
It's called Dr. Robotnik's Mean Bean Machine. You'd think he'd be better. You know what? Honestly, though, knowing how actual game devs are in real life, like, they got lives.
Yeah. It's like, he's mid, but he's not mid-mid.
I don't know, bro. Has he even gotten a single string?
Oh no, I don't think he has. I haven't been paying attention to his shit, to be honest. Ooh, boy, the music! That's not where I want to put that.
I remember when this game came out, you and me would play this constantly.
Oh yeah, I fucking love Mean Bean. Oh, dude. Well, I may not be good at the platforming, but I am good at the mean beaning, because I'm a mean motherfucker. Cool bonus. See, I got a cool bonus. That's how cool I am.
A cool bonus, huh?
Yeah. The game says it, so everything is invalid. Holy irate. Ooh. I see what you're doing.
The stage is so colorful, it's so pretty.
Spinning! Ooh! Holy shit! Ah! Holy crap!
Ooh, get it. Oh yeah.
Get it, queen!
Get Swifty, get Crunk.
Holy crap! Okay. Have things.
Boing, boing.
Alright. I have no idea where the hell I'm going.
That's like 90% of a Sonic game. Like, where the hell am I going? And then you like sort of just kind of stumble on it, and you're like, this makes no sense.
But god, it's so good. Okay. Oh, the pain. Popcorn. Bro, I forgot. What's that kind of like sweet popcorn?
Like kernel corn?
I think so. God, I haven't had some of that shit in a while.
It's been a while since I've had, like, any sort of... I just, like, recently went and bought myself some of those, like...
Yeah?
Honey mustard and onion pretzels.
Oh, yeah.
And, like, white cheddar smart food popcorn. And,
Oh,
like...
yeah, those are good. Those are nice.
I absolutely nutted. Like, that... It's been so long. It's been a couple of years since I've had that stuff.
Yeah.
And it is so good. But it is so... I don't know about the smart food, but the pretzels are not good for you.
Oh, yeah.
Just absolutely horrible. But they taste so good. They're so sweet and succulent.
I didn't care much for the pretzels myself, but I really like the kernel corn.
What's it coated in? Like, caramel?
Something like that, I don't know.
I fucking love caramel.
Oh! Okay. I gotta hit it 'cause it's blue. I don't hit the ones that aren't blue. Blue! I like this shit.
This game's actually really good at teaching you shit without telling you shit.
Oh, yeah.
You gotta actually jump on it, man.
No. I'm a spin! It worked! Oh, I'm so dead.
I miss the days when a game could just be
I'm not
like,
dead.
yo, here's the game, figure it out.
Oh, yeah.
Now you've gotta have, like, things on screen for everything, because you can't figure it out otherwise. And,
Give me like 500 tutorial pages, or fucking just kind of walk me through it for about a half an hour and waste my time, thanks.
You know, I think video games have only gotten better and better as time has progressed.
Oh yeah, in some areas, in some areas
Oh yeah,
no.
definitely. I do really enjoy, like, a lot of the recent video games that have come out.
Oh yeah.
Like,
Let me run.
for an open world Souls game, Elden Ring was phenomenal.
Oh yeah, that was great.
I did not expect that series to transition to open world so seamlessly. Not. You're good, man. You gotta start that stage over, but it's fine, buddy.
I'm gonna piss.
You always gotta piss, bro.
You always gotta piss.
You always gotta piss, bro.
Which one's mine?
It's the Stidiopolis zone.
Spears. Here we go. Camera, your mom. I'm on my way to your mom's house. Oh yeah, baby, baby. I'm not even trying at this point. I'm on your way to your mom's house.
I'm gonna show up at mom's doorstep. She's gonna be like,
chilling?
what the fuck is that?
Okay. Cool.
He's so sad.
He got depressed when I murdered his family.
That
What the?
was my kids. Those were my kids. What are you doing, bro?
I'm scamming the game into giving me free points.
I mean, sure, man.
Scam, 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 scam. Ah! Let me get. Hold on.
You'll figure it out.
Hold on. Watch this. Got it. Perfect.
That was pretty flawless. Not gonna lie, like
Doy.
100% flawless. You didn't.
Bro, what's with
anything
this sarcasm in your
that-
voice, man? That was
There's
awesome.
no sarcasm in my voice
I
whatsoever.
can hear
don't-
it. I can taste it. I can feel
Ring's
it.
gone?
How my body's.
Good job.
I am doing.
You're
great.
doing amazingly. I mean, look at you.
I am in a
You're
completely.
the Sonic
what is-
Master. I
what-
think
Where the hell am I?
you're really like
I have no idea.
you're a maniac.
Bro, what are you talking about? Oh, look at him vibing. Can't see it past the score, but goddamn, he's going nuts. Top of the card! That's it. Ooh.
Oh my god, wait, they do actually have faces. They might as well just be his kids.
Yeah, I was murdering his family.
Oh my god.
I wasn't joking when I said I was murdering his family.
Oh my god, no.
Man got massacred. That was the funniest shit I've ever experienced. Aha, I'm not touching that this time.
He does learn.
Yeah, I know. This is when I'm going like 50 miles an hour and I just kind of run into it. It's like, oh yeah, that's a thing. I want to hit it anyway. Mario is a cuck.
Wait, who did Mario cut?
Don't worry about it. Here we go. Freedom. Free bands.
Man, if only transportation was that easy. I'm just gonna beam myself through TV signals.
Bro.
Ruins a TV on the way out, but you're there in like 2 seconds.
Oh yeah, easy. Just gonna rely on that for your entire life, and then the internet goes down, and you're just kind of fucked.
Why would it rely on internet whatsoever? It's TV signals.
Alright, fine, your TV dies.
Well, of course, the TV explodes every time it opens.
Then you run out of TVs, and it's just like, oh no.
The world collectively just runs out of TVs.
Yeah. They just fall off, and you're like, oh no, now my power's useless.
Sometimes I forget, like, that these levels have multiple different, like, tracks and stuff you can go through, so, like...
Oh yeah.
Every like, playthrough of these tracks can be different. You got this, man. I believe in you.
Speed. All I need is some speed.
Don't fuck up.
Gotta speed up. Speed.
Jump on first, jump over next.
Speed. I am speed. Speed is me. Lightning McQueen ain't got shit on me. So let me hit him. Let me hit him. Let me touch him. Let me touch his butt a bit. I want to touch his butt. Ah, worth it.
Is it really worth it, man?
Yeah. Cause I'm still holding on with one ring in hand. Better fuck a man. Fuck. Oh yeah. Look at you cry like a little baby boy.
I'm not a baby.
You're just a little baby boy.
Hey, that's mean. Stop being so mean. What an idiot.
It was so fun the day your dad left, and I just kind of laughed. And was like, look at you. Now you don't have a dad. It's okay, kid. I'll be your dad now.
Man, Tails is really rimming that.
What the hell is going on?
You're playing bingo, man. Or something like that. I don't know.
What?
Oh, it's just a fucking lotto. Never mind. Over here saying bingo. What an idiot. Infinite
cash.
Just
money.
Kidding. This one doesn't give you any points.
Why?
Because
I want to have fun. Damn it, game.
Cheating, bro.
I don't care about cheating. I care about winning. Unfairly.
But okay.
Here we go. Fucking me.